In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your phone number on your Google business profile. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open your web browser and navigate to business.google.com. This is the main hub where you can manage everything related to your Google business profile. Once you're there, you'll see a sign in button in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking on it will prompt you to log in with the Gmail account that is connected to your business. If it's your first time logging in, you'll be asked to do so now. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to your Google Profile Manager. If you've logged in previously, you should be directed here automatically. Now take a moment to find the business profile you want to edit. Once you've spotted it, click on See Your Profile. An alternative way to access your profile is by simply going to Google and typing your business name or My Business in the search bar. Once you hit enter, find your business in the results and click on View Profile. This will bring you back to your dashboard. Now before you proceed, it's essential to confirm that your current phone number is visible to the public. You can do this quickly using your Google Business Dashboard. In the upper right corner, you'll notice 3 dots. Click on them to reveal a drop-down menu. From here, select Business Profile Settings, which will give you more options to refine and edit your profile. Head over to Advanced Settings by scrolling down and clicking on it. As we move on, ensure that the toggle switch next to the phone number is visible and turned on, indicated by the blue color. This action allows your phone number to remain public. With this setting verified, it's time to go back to your dashboard. Here, you'll see the Edit Profile option. Click on it and you'll be taken to a window where you can modify various contact information. At this point, scroll down until you reach the phone number section. You'll see a small pencil icon beside your current phone number. Clicking on this icon allows you to edit the phone number details. First, choose the appropriate country extension for your number to ensure it aligns with your location correctly. Next, input your new phone number into the text box provided. Finally, make sure to double check all the entries to eliminate any mistakes. Once you are satisfied with the changes, look for the Save button and click it. This action updates your profile information with immediate effect. And that's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully changed your phone number on your Google business profile. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.